Take a ride in the 2005 Grand Marquis. The Grand Marquis offers the roomiest interior and the most spacious trunk in its class. The class-exclusive standard V8 engine delivers 224 horsepower and can run on a unique blend of gasoline and ethanol, E85. It's also the only car in its class to receive the government's highest 5-star front crash test rating 15 years in a row and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, compass, power door locks, power windows, speed proportional power steering, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.